Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today we're going to look at the Milwaukee Fuel Deep Cut Bandsaw. This is an 18-volt system. Now you can get bandsaws that are plug-in. I love battery power because I'm always out of ways away from power, working in a backyard, things like that. You can use this to cut metal pipe like I have here, and we're going to try it just a second on that. But you can also cut copper pipe. You can cut metal posts for fence. You can even cut PVC. You can cut just about anything with this that you would use a hacksaw type blade. Now, how this is set up, it has a handle to hold here. Battery goes on top. And speaking of the battery, we're going to go ahead and pull the regular battery off. We're going to put the bigger red lithium HD12 on here. I like these when it comes to the drilling and things like that, or bandsaw, because they last longer and the amperage just seems to be a little better on these. Now you have a light right here that lights up to help light your surface. You're going to have a hanging hook, which is extremely nice. I use that a lot. Your speeds are going to be right here. And this little release mechanism on this side will allow you to change your blade out. Now, if you're not familiar with one of these and they seem a little odd to you, always take this piece, which is your guard, put that up against what you're cutting, and it'll hold it in place extremely well. Even though the whole tool looks awkward, it's extremely balanced and cuts great. So let's go ahead and try to cut some here and see how it works. So you're just going to put the guard itself up against the metal, just like that. I'm going to hold it in place. And then we just slowly start cutting. Now I can change my speeds. I'm going to go ahead and go all the way up. So there you go. That's how easy it cuts through. Once you get through the top part, it actually goes through like butter. And this is fairly thick metal, and my blade is a little bit worn. So if I was going to rate it on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars because of the durability and the reliability of Milwaukee. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you guys on the next one.